In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use your Canon Pixma TR4755i printer using a USB cable. The first thing we're going to do is take this side of the USB and turn your printer around and place it in here, so it's the opposite side of the power cable. Push it in here, make sure it's nice and tight. Then come to your PC and place this side of the USB into it like this. So now they're both connected and we're ready to add it to our computer. To install the drivers, you need to come to this link. I'll leave it in the description because it's quite long to type, so I'll leave it down below. Go ahead and click the orange download button, then open it up. We're going to press yes, and then you have the option to change the language. We'll press OK. Then you can change the region, so I'll change it to Europe because that's where I am. Then press OK, and it's going to open up this page here. So you should see this blue start setup button. Click it, and then it's going to download some information. We'll check all of these boxes and then press next. It's then going to tell you to make sure the power is turned on, so do that, then press next, and it's now going to detect the printer. So as we have connected the USB to the PC, it should find the printer automatically like this. So the T7400 series, press next. It's then going to ask if you want to connect via the Wi-Fi. We'll select the USB connection on the left instead of the Wi-Fi. And now from here, it's simply going to download the drivers onto your computer so that you can print and scan. I'm going to speed this part up. However, it should take around 3 or 4 minutes, and then you should see this page. Press next. So now if you come to your PC home screen and press on the Windows icon, search for printers and scanners, and the printer should be added here automatically like this. So you can press on it and you can print a test page if you want. If the printer doesn't show up automatically, you can press this blue add device button, and then the printer should show up and you can just click add device, but it should be there right away. So to print, it's pretty easy. Just open up whatever it is you want to print. We'll full screen this page. So in the top left, you'll see the print button. Sometimes it might be in the top right, but if you can't find it, you can also press Control P, and that's going to open up the printer settings like this. So just make sure that you have the printer selected at the top, and then you can choose some more settings here if you want. You can print some copies, or you can change the paper size. So simply click print, and then you'll hear the printer right away begin to print. So that's how to set up your Canon Pixma TR4755i printer with a